not playing it. Fuck off.
I was just turning the lights on.
Jesus.
Right, to be uber scary. Here we go. White Noise Online. How to play. Welcome to White Noise Online. Okay, feature tape recorder. Flashlight is X. Run with trio. Monsters of chase. Cut tapes. But only while you can't see him. Wait, so if you look at him, he doesn't move?
No, he moves.
If you stare at him too much, you'll go insane and die. No, that's nice.
Yeah. So if you see him, it's not like Slender. He'll stay still. He continues to move.
That's fuck.
Yeah. So like it's slow,
Yeah.
but sometimes he'll be right behind you, and like.
In your butt.
Yeah, basically.
That's cray cray.
Also,
Do it online?
there's different. You can play online. Other people will be able to.
Searching games from Tame Games.
There you go.
Zombie Guts Killer with one L. Who?
You said tribes.
Okay. I'm ready.
But what was I saying? Yeah, there's different difficulties. You can play it on like I think it's called Nightmare, and basically your torch runs out even faster, and he's like always behind you. And Connie and James managed to get 7 tapes out of 8. I don't know how.
And it begins. Oh, fucking
Stick
skeleton, man.
Fucking stay together. Is your best bet.
Wait, what's the run button? Is this running? That's fucking bullshit.
Oh, you're on a different map. I don't know this map very well.
Why is he fucking walking around?
You're meant to be looking for tapes, aren't you?
Yeah, but I mean he's walking away from me.
Oh, he's probably a dick douche, that's why.
It's like the worst kind of douche. Behind you!
I can't hear you, dumbass.
Shut up, that's for my benefit.
It's so slow, it hurts.
Ah!
Don't fucking stop already. God.
Like what? I don't know this game.
I'm already shaking there.
Oh. Wait, where do you go? Where are you?
Look on the pillars.
Pillars. Right.
Damn, I'm not gonna be that high.
Hey. This is my first time, be gentle.
Go slow. It's slow.
Ooh.
I hear one. There you go. Got a tape. Got a tape.
Hey.
Also, the more tapes you get, the more noise that it will make. When you get the second tape, we can hear him walking. Stop it.
I'm fearless.
I'm not.
I'm not going to be fearless in about, like, as soon as I see him.
I'm already like, when I first start off these games, I'm like, I'm alright, but then after a while, I'm like, oh no, he's getting closer. You can hear him coming closer. Oh, you spin round makes me so nervous.
But I'm trying to look for him in case he's like behind me or some shit. Whoa, okay, there he is. There he is. I'm not going to look at him because he's a little fuck. And this is a nice hallway. There's no alien fucks in here. Where'd the other guy go?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, okay.
He sounds like he's right behind you. That's the thing. That's another thing it does. It sounds like it's breathing right behind you.
Okay.
Also, it picks up where you scream as well.
What? He's not near me. What the fuck? There he is. if he gets like attacked by it, does it flash on my screen?
Yeah, and the character will suddenly lift up in the air, and then they'll fall to the ground. And then you'll be on your own, and they can... There's another tape. Where is it? Turn around, on the wall. Sure there's one. I had one. I might be back in the other room.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that noise. Hey?
I hate when the bells start. But yeah, at the end, it shows it will show a map, and it will show where you screamed and where you've seen him and where you've got the tapes, and it will show where you walked as well.
Okay. So if he sees him, does it flash on my screen as well?
Yeah, it will just flash, I think. So he, like earlier, he didn't appear on your screen because they saw it.
Okay. Shit behind me. And there he is. This way, bitch. Fuck off, box. Where'd the other guy go?
My ass is so clenched right now.
It's dangerous to go alone.
Oh, you split up. He split you up.
You know what?
He's
Fuck
really
it.
close. He's really close. He's getting closer to you. He's getting closer to you.
Fuck you, bitch. You ain't gonna get me, you little bitch. Fucking come at me, bro. Take you down.
I saw you turn the lights off.
Did.
They turn back up, didn't they?
Apparently. One of them does.
I don't mind.
It's dangerous to go. Yeah, I'm trying to fucking find him.
I'm going towards him. I'm going towards him.
Yeah, you little fuck. I'm leaving. There he is. Dude, run the other way. Trust me, run the other fucking way. Yeah, he knows. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, he's right behind you.
He's not. He's miles off. We're fucking clear. No, we're not scared.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
We're very scared.
Do you get an achievement if you play it with your light off?
I don't know. I don't know if there's any achievements. I don't think there's achievements for this.
The totes is. He just looked at me like, dude, why the fuck don't you have your light on? What's the advantage of having the light turned off? Does it run out of battery?
Yeah.
And it's off. And there he is. Thank fuck to my light flashing skills. What was that? It's like a big loogie.
I don't know, but you're gonna die.
No, we're not. How the fuck did he go over there so quick?
I don't know.
The guy's a nutter.
Where's the other guy gone?
I don't know.
I think you're going around in circles.
Yeah.
And I think you're running towards him.
Nah, he's getting closer to me though.
Yes, he's getting so close, he's getting so close to you.
Yeah, he's fucking knew it. He was walking past. Fucking hell. Don't you fuck off again, you little prick. Fucking strobe you.
Stop.
Dude, my batteries. No. Oh, it's off. It's run out. It ran out. Surprise, motherfucker. No, we're all clear. This is a dead end. You lead me into a dead end. This is a little fuck. I don't trust this little kid. I mean, like, look at him. He's got blue hair. And fucking... like, blue hair by itself, that's fine. Blue hair and a skeleton costume.
No.
He ain't to be trusted. What kind of hair does he have? Dude, don't turn around. I'm trying to
Oh, he's getting closer.
Nonsense. That was a rake.
What?
It was a rake. It was the sound of a rake picking up leaves.
Okay. Why would they do that in the middle of a... Oh my god.
Why would they have a guillotine? I mean, I know this thing is like...
There's a tape there on the wall, isn't there? Oh, I thought it was a tape.
It's a memorial for about torture. That's...
Lovely.
yeah, that's exactly what you want to see in this place.
Oh my god.
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Ben.
I'll make all the others say that.
Oh my god.
Yep, that too.
I'm shifting my planks.
Dude, you're in my house.
Well, the stuff is no longer green.
La crème.
There'll be a tape down there. He's gonna trap you though. He's gonna trap you down there.
I'll be a lookout.
Don't stand still.
I'm not standing still. I'm walking. Is there not a fucking tape here? Yeah, I'm leaving. Okay. This way. Dude, this way. Don't fucking go that way. What the fuck is he doing? Come on. God, I thought he knew what he was doing. Looks like I have to be the leader of the pack. Homie.
Oh, because I can hear your mom moving around. It's really fucking scaring me.
Peace, young one. We're gonna make it through this.
No, we're not.
We're gonna make it through this.
We're not. You've only got 2 fucking tapes.
Yeah, slow and steady gets the worm. Wow, he's right behind us.
Yes, he is. He's coming for your assholes.
He's wait. Beforehand?
Did you not? You missed the part where I said assholes, as in you both.
Yeah, but if he's coming before, I mean, like, least he can do is show me a good time.
Also, your characters are coughing, so you're slowly going insane.
Well, yeah, he's been eyeing me up and shit. Wait, so when we cough, we're going insane?
No, you stop dying. Alright, look on every one of these statues. There has to be one on there, surely.
I think we got one off that one there. Like, he got it.
I think you're in the middle of the maps. I felt like the corridor was around the outside.
This one looks like SpongeBob's dick. It's SpongeBob. You go insane if you're in the dark. Is this fucking flashlight? Oh, yeah, it's fine. I thought it was running out.
Yours is fucked though.
What? That's fine.
No, it's not.
Yeah. I can
Look
turn-
at it.
What?
Look how dim it is. It's flashing and shit.
You're fucking dim. Oh.
There's footprints right behind them on the floor. You can see like bloody footprints. Well, there was. Oh my god! Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! Fucking cat made me jump, man.
Leo, my cat's been dead for 10 years.
Stop it, you cunt. Oh, my back! Ugh.
Wow. You've just, like, submitted to the white noise.
No! No! Stop.
Stop. Look. Listen. You remember that fucking hedgehog? With the...
King of the road!
Yeah, fucking loved that hedgehog.
Bring it back.
No, you got hit by a car.
Don't you tell them about my babies?
King of the road!
No.
Trailer for sale or rent. The start of a song. King of the road.
I don't know what a hardback girl is, but I just know it's a disease ridden. And I don't want to know what it is.
Ooh, dear.
Oh dear, oh dear. Oh!
Wow, he like fucking teleported
And shit.
and we separated because I don't know, but we just grew apart and
Working.
the spark is gone. Alright. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Is there suddenly a breeze in here?
Yeah. It's really open the window. Are you cold? Oh, 3D vision! Well, am I in limbo?
Oh, you can follow the other person around now.
I'm in limbo.
Limbo!
Limbo! Or, it's
Right.
either that or this is like Penguin's. Penguin.
Right,
It's
thing is-
Pingu's shindig.
No, you can now look around and you can see the tapes, whereas the other person can't.
Noot noot.
And you're a ghost to the other person as well.
What, so you can see me?
Yeah, they can see you, but you're a ghost.
Noot noot.
So look around for the tapes and try to lead them to
I
the
can't
tape.
run.
Well, just look around.
It's fucking bullshit. Why do I bring my flashlight? Why do I have my flashlight? More like flashlight. Let's have a read, shall we? Cobwebs. Mosque. We're in a mosque. You take over. He can't hurt you now.
I don't know if you can see him or not when you're here.
I think it kind of takes the scary away. Just because it's fucking. You know, you'd be all lit up and shit. You'd be lit up like a motherfucker. Trailer for sale or rent. Why is it wet?
Why is what wet?
My penis. Oh, no, my back of my tablet's wet. Oh, Paul.
What the fuck is this? Oh, it is footprints, look. I told you.
Yeah, but they're always there. We walked past them. We were going in circles.
I'm going on the outside of them.
Fuck. I've been invited.
I'm fucking terrified right now, even though it's like.
You know, peace and that. You know?
Well,
You know.
things Limbo is like meant to be sort of like in between, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I associate Limbo with demons and stuff because of DMC, so I don't think it's a happy place.
Well, it's
I'm just
not.
waiting for
It's
something to.
It's neutral.
I'm just waiting for demons to jump out.
It's not actually limbo. It's actually like an astral plane between the living and the dead. But it's not limbo. You are dead.
Fuck me, let me jump.
Hey, we found 3.
Well, they did shit.
In the space of 20 minutes. That was all his fault though. So, yeah. We did good. no walkers though. Screams. 2 each. Replay. Oh.
You need to show Emma this, by the way.
Show her what? Madu?
Yeah, go on.
No,
There you
good,
go, see,
thanks.
there you go, look.
Oh my god. That was brilliant. We screamed and ran off like the way we came, and he was still exploring.
It's funny because it looks like we speed up and we
It's
run
like,
away.
fuck! Fuck! Oh shit. And yeah, that's why we got deaded. Oh, we were actually on his trail. Oh, no, we weren't.
How the fuck
Jesus Christ!
How the fuck did
We
we
moved so quickly! Exactly in the point when we didn't need to.